This is where we ended yesterday, but we didn't get to practice it very much. But does the P-series test seem super, super hard? Not necessarily. Mandy, this one's really funny looking because I kind of had to change a few things. Let me change it a little bit better. I forgot to put bounds on it. So then I changed this and I said, oh, it's messy, I don't like it. So it's going to be from n equals 1 to infinity of 1 over n to the p. Of 1 over n to the p. Could be 1 over n to the p because 1 to the p is 1, but 1 over n to the p. And p is a number, right guys?
Yes.
And what do we know about p-series? If it's a number, if it's between 0 and 1, including 1, it diverges. And if it's greater than 1, converges. Why did I look at these? Are these p-series? Not included in the test, but why? If it was 0, just be 1 and diverges by nth term test. And if it was anything negative, I flip it to be positive and diverges nth term test. That's why we don't think about 0 and we don't think about negatives. We only think about positives and then the special ones in between. We were here. We were here. Here's what I want you guys to do. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Oh, we can't see it very good. Oh, it's not very big. What can I do? I'm trying to make it big enough so you can see, but small enough. I want you guys to try to do this on your own and get as far as you can. Just make it bigger. Can you see it better? Okay, go. P-series test. We did one yesterday. Did we finish it? Series diverges by P-series. Why? Because equals 1. Because P equals 1. Diverges. Or we could even say, if you don't like this, you could say that too, right? You could say like little interval notation. Okay, look at your test. Look at your series. If you want, you can write out terms and say geometric? No. Limit? Integral test? Maybe something easier? P-series test. Can I do it? See, just a few minutes. Guys, remember quest corrections, you get half points back on. When's it due by? Friday. Friday, preferably. Tuesday, if worse comes to worse. Friday, preferably. I can work on grades over the weekend. Tuesday, if worse comes to worse. Homework 9-3 due? Tomorrow. Endeavor quiz? Tomorrow. Why? You have to have tests memorized in order to be able to do quiz on Friday, right? since I'm making things smaller, some things will look bold, some things will not. Sorry. You guys, troublemakers, what you doing? Remember, it's being taped. It's being taped.
It's a sign we're truly friends.
Uh-huh.
She's showing too much PDA at school this week.
Oh yeah, Evan saw me from behind and she's like, oh dear. Because like we were talking about, you know, like all the steps of intimacy and like relationships. I don't know, I was thinking, I just hugged her from behind. Like, let's hand it to me. I have to learn this.
Is that one?
Have a reason why you have the answers that you have. See if you can figure out a reason.
If it converges, do we have to find what it converges to? With PDC?
No. The only one I know so far how to figure out what it's converging to is only geometric.
Okay.
It's the only one I know. It's the only one I know.
Are these, can these be any of them?
Well, what am I doing? I'm showing YP series. I'm showing YP series. I'm showing if P series, YP series. I'm showing if P series, YP series. What do you guys have so far? Maybe not all the way done, but maybe tried a couple.
2 converges.
Number 2. We have an answer. Hold on, let's talk about why. Is it geometric? Times?
No.
Not geometric. What's the limit as n goes to infinity? Try nth term.
0.
So I know nothing. Well, that didn't help and that didn't help. Okay, P series. It's just 1 over n to the, P series, what does P equal? What power is the denominator raised to?
2.
Hey, so P series, think power. P for power. P for power in the denominator.
We can also use the integral test.
Yeah, but is P series faster? So whenever you have power in denominator, constant power in denominator, P series. P for power. So what is P? 2. Therefore, I can say series what? Converges.
Because P equals 2, which is not within the bounds of 0, is less than P, which is less than or equal to 1.
Not including. Oh no, too big. I can just do greater than 1, huh?
Yeah.
P equals 2 is greater than 1. Isn't that my P series? As long as P is greater than 1 converges, done. How about number 3? Geometric. Times 3. Times 3, no, not geometric. So don't use that. What's the limit as I go to infinity? Uh-oh. So wait, do I need P series? But wait, it was a power. Oh, it was a negative power. So if I just think about it this way, geometric, no. Nth term, yeah. Oh, series diverges. But how?
By the limit test.
No, there is a limit test, but this isn't it. By the nth term test. We haven't learned it yet. By the nth term test. Right? So I didn't even need P series. How about the next one? Oh, yeah, because limit not 0, diverges. Number 4, geometric. Nope. Limit 0. I know nothing. Okay, P series. What's P equal?
I can't see.
0.2. 3.
0.3? Is it 0.2? I think it's 0.3.
Same difference.
We'll say 0.3. It looks like it, right? Okay. So what can I say? 0.3 series.
Converges. No, diverges.
Which one? Look at your test. You have to know your test.
Diverges.
Diverges.
Yeah, it's diverges.
Series diverges by P series since 0.3 is within, not including 0 to 1. Right? P equals 0.3 is within 0 to 1. Next one.
Converges.
Geometric. Nope. Limit. 0. I know nothing. No nothing. No nothing. Okay, so y converges. P equals
Because it's 5.
not -5. I have to think power and denominator, right? So P equals 5. Therefore, series converges since, I should technically say, by P series test, right? Good? Enough? Enough? Last one. You guys, go the whole way. What should you do?
Change it.
Change it. Good. Can you see it? Oh, no, you can't, huh?
No, I'm blind.
You can borrow my glasses.
So guys, we could write out, not geometric. We could take limit, 0, no nothing. We have to go, well, we can go P series. P series, P equals 0.5. What can I say?
Diverges. Because 0 is less than 0.5, less than or equal to 1.
Not too bad, right? Not too bad. Wouldn't work for nth term, but here's why. Because limit would still be infinity. No, it would be 0. Because 1 over square root of 10, 1 over square root of 100.
Number 5.
Oh, number 5. By nth term? Or geometric? Which one do you mean? Nth term, remember, I know nothing. Yeah, I know, it's so easy to say 0. Yay! We don't know. We don't know. Now, nth term, if it equals anything but 0, we know diverges. But we don't know. How do we know that? Well, not from this one. Well, yes, from this one. Look. Limit of this one, 0, but diverges. Limit of this one, 0, but converges. So, careful. Can't say that. Layla.
The E thing means such that, right?
The E thing means within.
Within. Okay.
It means like 0.5 is an element of the numbers between.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions though? Good questions. Everybody, good questions. Layla.
On Friday, on
Uh-huh.
the quiz, is there going to be on, like, not the series, but the term ones, if those?
Could be. Because the nth term test is whether or not you can do that. So there will be some questions on just does a sequence converge?
Yeah.
Does the sequence converge? And what do you have to know to do that? We can go back to 9-1. We'll have like a mock quiz yesterday. Or tomorrow. I'm going back in time. Shh, shh.
We just need more time.
Judging. I feel judged. No judging.
Judging.
So easy to judge, right? We gotta stay away from it.
According to my personality test, I'm 20% judging.
What did we use? We used calculator. Not good way though. We use limits. Who's stronger? Top, bottom. We use special converging for e to the especially, and like factorial to know what the limit is. We use L'Hopital's, right? Derivative of top, derivative of bottom. So those were all tools that we had to use in 9-1. So yeah, that'll be on Friday, 9-1, 9-2, 9-3. How many of you guys are all done with homework? All right, hold on. Let me see if there's anything else I want to show you. Let's do one more, just because Mandy wasn't here yesterday. Hold on. This is not all that we've covered. We covered that. We covered that. We covered that. We went to here. We skipped a couple examples. Let's do this one just because he looks interesting. Actually, let's do these two.
This is for P series or?
Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Start by writing out terms. 1 over 2 ln 2 plus 1 over 3 ln 3 plus 1 over 4 ln 4. Geometric?
No.
No.
Log times.
Limit as n goes to infinity. Uh-oh, who's stronger, top or bottom?
The bottom.
Yeah, who's the only one even changing? The bottom. Uh-oh, 0. We know?
Nothing.
Oh, come on, we know?
Nothing.
Nothing. We know nothing. We don't know. P series.
Nope.
Why not? Is there a power in denominator?
No.
No. Not a power I can help. I have ln. So what's the only other test we've used? Geometric, nth term, P series, integral. Integral. 1 over x ln x. Guys, we just saw terms are going to 0. So is it decreasing? Is it positive? 1 over 2 ln 2, 1 over 3 ln 3, 1 over 4 ln 4. Is it positive? Yes. Is it decreasing? Yes. So I can say continuous. Wait a minute. Hold on. X can't be 0. Oh, it's okay. Wait a minute. It's not positive if it's ln of 1/2. Oh, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. So continuous, check. Positive, check. Decreasing, check. Okay. How do I do integral test?
Keep the interval of 1 over x
How can know it's decreasing? Is by the graph or?
Well, I didn't actually write them out, Mandy, but this is how I know. Hold on.
Oh.
Each time getting bigger, and ln gets bigger, so 1 over bigger, 1 over bigger.
Also is
Yeah. 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 How do I take, come on, integrals 2? I know it all comes together. Use of. Integration by parts. Ew. No. 1 over x, 1 over ln, I don't know. Not integration by parts. Divide. Nothing to divide. U sub? What would u equal?
ln x.
Great idea. Because if u equals ln x, what's du?
1 over x.
And can't I see this integral as? Right? So 1 over x dx can substitute with du, and 1 over ln, well here, hold on, we got it. Oh, careful. Technically u bounds, is that perfect? No, maybe I'll do this off to the side, which will equal ln of u plus c, and if I'm plugging in ln of x plus c. But wait, I'm doing it from, let's go back, right? I'm doing it from 2 to b. Don't need plus c because c and c minus c cancels.
So it's divergent.
Plug in. I can take away absolute value bars because b is getting more and more and more positive from 2. ln is always positive past. Where's ln equal to 0? ln equals 0 at, ln of x equals 0 at 1. So yeah, at 2 and beyond, ln will always be positive. Minus. Ugh. Huh. You okay? Just stretching? Okay. ln of b goes to infinity. What does ln do as I go infinitely? Goes up, right? So ln's going to infinity, so infinity means going to infinity means going to infinity. Infinity minus number equals infinity. So what's the integral do? Diverge. So what's the series do? Diverges. By what test? Integral test. Right? Yeah, integral test. Oh, not positive. Before positive. Continuous, right? Continuous. Positive. Decreasing. And the integral from 2 to infinity of diverges. What made this one harder? I think the integral. So why did we take all of chapter 8 to integrate? Ethan.
In this one, I might use L'Hopital first, where it doesn't work because it becomes a 0.
Because you would have to do 1 over n.
No, 1 over n over
1 over n over ln n, right? And then take derivative and that.
is 0. So
Well, no, because it would be. Oh, limit is 0. Yeah. Yeah. Or you could just see bottom is greater. So 0, maybe fast way. But yeah, you could think L'Hopital's. I'm not going to go crazy. I just want to make sure. Guys, let's just say, because it's true, we go to take integral.
oh no.
How?
Yucky.
I know yucky, but do we know how? I'm not going through geometric nth term, all that craziness. I'm just going straight to integral. Do we know how to take integral? Because P series definitely doesn't work.
Use some.
U sub. Hold on. I need to make x's, right?
So we don't need to
Whoa, wait, dot, dot, dot.
take a derivative.
Wait, derivative?
Yeah, to show it's decreasing.
Oh, I just said dot, dot, dot. Technically should take derivative. Because you need to show continuous positive decreasing, unless you can plug in, but plug in 1, plug in 2, ugh.
I think every AP test, it will make it like constant and positive.
You're
Otherwise,
hoping?
They will not. Yeah.
You're hoping? How would I do integral?
U equals 10
Why is this a great U to use?
because it's 1 over x.
So what is this the integral of? Right? Because 1 over x squared plus 1 dx is du. So I can just say u du, so then I can say just u squared over 2 So then when I go to solve, oops. Lo siento. I'm sorry. Ugh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Because what do I get?
10 inverse is power 2 squared.
Tan inverse of b.
Pi squared over 2 squared.
Yeah, so
Because what can you say?
It's pre-calculus.
Oh, so just leave it because it is pre-calculus? Tan inverse of 1 is pi over 4.
Pi over 4 squared.
Pi over 4 squared is number. Tan inverse of b as b goes to infinity.
Pi over
Tan inverse is going where?
Pi over 2.
Pi over 2. So therefore I can say this is,
Number.
as I go to infinity, so then I end up with 1/2 times pi over 2 squared minus pi. I don't need to go crazy. Limit equals number,
It's calculus.
so converges. I missed lots of explanation, but converges, right? Kiddos, let's stop. You have 10 minutes. Work on homework. You have 10 minutes. Work on homework.
You see, I got 2 correctly. It's very similar. I got 2. One is
You need to see homework. Here it is. Try.
one is ln plus 1.
Let me try even more. Let me stop recording because it doesn't need to hear us do nothing. Hold on.